Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this pumpkin pie chia pudding. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. We're going to make a pumpkin pie chia pudding that is enough for one person, which I think is great, but the recipe is easily doubled or tripled if you want to make for more people or if you want to make more servings for meal prep. But when you're ready to have some breakfast and you don't want to make a whole lot and it's just you, this is the perfect recipe. You just want to make that one serving for your breakfast and you're going to make this delicious pumpkin pie chia seed pudding. Pumpkin pie chia pudding. I can't think right now. So we're going to get started. We are going to cook this in a pan. But you could also make this as like overnight chia pudding where you could mix it all together and put it in the refrigerator overnight. You could mix this all together and put it in the microwave, but be very careful because it will overflow. I know from experience. So you just need to watch it, make sure it doesn't overflow, keep an eye on it in the microwave. But today we're gonna make it on the stovetop. We've got a small saucepan. And we're going to start our recipe. We're gonna do medium heat. And now we're just gonna add all of the ingredients to the pan. We've got a half a cup of half and half, which is half milk, half cream, a half a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. So not pumpkin pie filling, you wanna make sure that it's pure, pureed pumpkin. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar swerve, and 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. So we're gonna mix this all up and we're gonna let it come up to a simmer. What's gonna happen is our chia seeds are going to start to thicken, they're gonna absorb the liquid, and this is gonna be a nice thick porridge consistency. Okay, our chia seed pudding is ready. So I'm gonna put it in a ramekin. This is an 8-ounce ramekin. And you can see this makes quite a nice serving. And I whipped up some heavy whipping cream. I didn't sweeten it or anything. I think that this has enough sweetness. And put a dollop or 2 on top. And how good does that look? So let's try a bite. Look at that. But so good. Oh, it's like so warm and comforting. I'm ready for fall. It's still like 95 degrees here, but I don't care. I'm ready for fall. If you're ready for fall, be sure you check out this recipe. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.